Hey guys, welcome back to the garage. Today we have a special treat for you guys. So it's my brother's 16th birthday, and after seeing our exhaust cut out, he really wanted one. So today we're going to show you how we're going to surprise him getting this thing installed on a BMW 3 Series.
So here's the box, link is in the description below. Let's go ahead and open it. This is the exhaust. This is the part that's going to replace a piece of straight pipe before the muffler on the vehicle. The welds are amazing. Looks perfect. Doesn't look like it has any issues. This is the actual valve itself. This is what opens and closes when you hit the button, when you hit the remote. Some gaskets and the flange. This is just a clamp to hold out the exhaust, the second cutoff area. So last but not least, in the box we have some of the wiring. Here's the controller, here's the remote, here's the wiring. Currently it comes with the 12-volt wiring, but we're going to cut this off and plug it straight into the battery, and some screws. Before heading over to the muffler shop, we're going to go ahead and do some of the install here, just so it's a little more streamlined when we get there. Before we continue, I just want to make sure that it opens and closes fine. We lightly threaded some of the screws in by hand. Now we're going to go ahead and plug it in to see if it opens and closes freely. So there's two plugs on one side, one plug on the other side. You're going to plug it to the side with two. This is so if you have a dual exhaust, you can go ahead and plug two of these valves with only one power input. So I'm going to just plug everything in and plug it in the car. Plug the other end into the exhaust. Now that we have everything assembled, I left this flange kind of loose so we can adjust it based on the tilt. We're just going to go ahead and test it if you can see through the pipe. Open and closed. So before taking it to the shop to get it installed, the first thing I want to do is go ahead and look at the battery area to see where I'm going to tap into for power. The battery's right over here, and it looks like there's this compartment under the trunk bed as well, and it's made out of plastic. That right underneath this is the bottom of the vehicle. And so what I think I'm gonna do is put a small little hole over here so I can wire through and to the exhaust, and then come up from here underneath this trim piece and straight to the battery. I'm gonna use an inline fuse just to keep things safe. So now we're gonna head on over, get it welded on, and see what happens.
guys, we just got the okay.
We got the exhaust installed, now we just have to wire it. I don't want to use the 12-volt wiring, so I'm going to go ahead and make a connector, put it straight to the battery. You're going to need a tool set, inline fuse, electrical tape, this is the fuses, and then just like a kit with a crimper will come in handy. The links to all of these products will be in the description below. So we made the hole as we said initially, that's going straight to the bottom of the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and just leave a lot of the wire here. And what we need to do now is cut off the 12 volt. So I just put the fuse in, connected the red to the red, black to the black, and tested it out. Everything works. Time to hear what it sounds like.
Alrighty guys, so we've officially left the shop, cutout installed, ready to see it on the road.
Right now the cutoff is in the closed position. It should sound stock. That it does. Can't even hear it. Now why don't you go ahead and open the valve, Ollie. Currently the windows are open. The valve closed, just gonna hit the gas a little bit. Sounds stock. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open the valve. Going to do the same pull.
was in my pocket. I promise. I didn't even drop it. It was literally in my pocket. I pulled it out. It was cracked.
Oh, what did you do? What kind of contact sports were you doing?
Dude, I don't even know. I swear it was like the most random crack too.
Bro, I've never heard you floor the car.
Oh wow. Is that me?
No, I don't think so.
I was gonna say, did you guys put an exhaust and I didn't know?
That would have been nice.
Wait, hold up. Did you guys actually do it? Oh shit! No way! Oh my god! Holy shit! Dude, no way!
Giving it a little gas.
Oh my! Thank
Oh, no, no.
Damn, Chief. Damn. Damn.
What do you think?
Nice. Wow. Is A open?
A is closed, B is open. So if you want to close it, you just hold A down. So B is to open,
Okay.
A is to close. So right now it's Arlene opened it. So when we left the house, it was closed. So you can.
Dude, literally.
And it's silent.
I heard that. I was like, what? Dude, no way.
What are your thoughts, dude? What are your thoughts?
This is sick.
Sounds clean.
It sounds amazing.
Yes.
Dude, literally when I made that turn on to the light, I was like, what is that?
Alrighty, well.
Another happy customer, huh?
Yeah, dude.